Hey guys, today we are doing cooking at 7. Today I have a special guest, Sophia. Hi. Today we're making truffle. Chocolate. Good truffle. Well, one's with coconut. Some of them are going to be with coconut, which I do not like, basically. And chocolate.
I don't. I've never tried it before, and I'm joking.
Have you actually tried it before?
No, I've never.
I've tried it before. It's so horrid.
Alright.
Horrid Henry.
Okay, let's just get on with the video.
So we're going to shake it. Okay, then.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it,
I'll shake it. I'll Sophia, I'll shake it. You take a handful of sprinkles and do that. Ew. Smell it.
You have to coat it all.
Ew. Now we have to do these. Pick up.
Yes, coat it properly.
Okay.
You too, miss.
Okay.
Ooh, I got some on my hands.
Both of the girls are only eating. They're not cooking. Okay. Now pick up one of the things and coat it very well. Yeah. Ah, well done, Sophia.
I'll do it.
That one can go in the plate now. Wow. Okay. Ooh.
I'll do the exampled one.
Yeah. Is it coated properly? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Put it in. Oh no, definitely needing a tissue.
It's okay. It's okay.
We're cooking, Gigi. You
That's-
always get
Yeah.
disgusting.
Up. Here you go.
Okay, this one. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake.
Shake. Stop eating, you guys. Okay, shake, and
Bake.
Out. And pick up.
Pick up.
you.
There's no more sprinkles left.
Okay, there are still a little bit left. So the one.
Shake.
Come here. Let me shake. This is how it goes. It's shake, and the mixture should be all very well coated. Coated. Okay. Now, who's going to make the?
Me.
Okay.
Make them what?
Yeah, make the ball.
Make the ball. So.
Yeah.
I haven't read just a cough since last night.
Done, girls?
Yep.
We're done.
Okay.
Now that we're
Good.
done, good.
Now you have to show the result. What you
Yes.
both have made.
Bum,
This is the
ba-da!
results.
So guys, here's our result of our lovely truffles here with coconut.
Truffles.
I'll never try them.
I've never tried one. So. Oh, and these are the truffles that Gigi's mum made for us.
Well, not for.
They're much better than ours.
No, they're both very, very good. You
Are
guys
they
have done a
I
very
think they're
good
for
job.
Sophia's mom and dad. Okay?
Yeah, you know. But no, you both have done a very good job. Well done, you guys.
Do you want to try?
Try a smaller one. But they're not set yet, darling. They have to set first.
Yeah.
I have to put
Now-
it in the fridge.
Now we wait. Meanwhile, we'll do some crafting.
Yes, wash your hands.
Wash the hands.